Hello friends, welcome to Finance Tech. This is LG W10 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how we can turn on or turn off camera sound in LG W10 smartphone. First, go to camera, open camera, and take a picture. Keep on photo mode and capture an image. There is a sound. This is camera sound. If you want to turn off this, go to settings in camera and turn off camera sound here. Now you will not hear any sound while taking a picture. Listen here, there is no sound. So you can turn off camera sound in LG W10 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye.